Today I'm looking at 4.5 negative exponents and reciprocals. So, if we have 4, the reciprocal 4 is 1 over 4. If we have 2/3, the reciprocal is 3 over 2. So you flip it so it always equals 1, because if 4 as an imaginary 1 over there times 1 over 4 is equal to 1, or 4 over 4, which is equal to 1. Same as 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 2 is 6, 6 divided by 6 is 1. Same thing, so that's what we're going to play with. So all you're going to do here is you're going to write me the reciprocals and do nothing else. Okay, and then check your answers. So stop the tape and try it. Reciprocal of 6 is equal to 1 over 6. The reciprocal of 1/9 is equal to 9 over 1. The reciprocal of 2 3/4, so it's going to be 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11 over 4, which gives me 4 over 11. You have to switch this into an improper fraction. There's already an improper fraction, so 14 over 3 is the same as reciprocal of 3 over 4. Negative 7 is negative 7 over 1, which is equal to 1 over negative 7. And negative 5 over 4, the reciprocal of that will be equal to 4 over negative 5. And they all equal 1, equal 1, equal 1, equal 1. So that's what we got to work on. So when we talk about a negative reciprocal or negative exponent, we're going to do some flipping here. So, for example, 3 to the power of negative 2. That negative sign tells me to flip it. So, once again, this is 3 over negative 1. When the negative sign is there, you flip it to 1 over 3. So, you're writing the reciprocal. Because I want 2 of them, I write it down twice, and then I go ahead and multiply. 1 times 1 is 1, and 3 times 3 is 9. So, it's very simple to get an understanding how to work. It works. So, once again, negative exponent. So I flip it, I write the reciprocal, which is 4 over 3. Okay, there's 3 of them, so I put it down 3 times. The negative sign I leave up top, because that's where I like it. So negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 4 is negative 64. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. There it is. Same with the next one. 0.3 to the power of negative 4. Negative 4 tells me to flip it. So that's just 3/10. So I write this. This is 0.3 is equal to 3 over 10. So because of the negative sign, I flip it. So 10 over 3, 10 over 3, 10 over 3, 10 over 3, because there's 4 of them. Multiply it. 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 equals 10,000. And 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is 81. And then I can divide it. So try these 4 questions. And stop the tape, try them. And then once you're good to go, see how I've done them. So you now, because you're now going to take back on, you should have tried these. So I have 8 and negative 2 over 3. So that means that negative sign tells me to flip it. So I got 1 over 8. And I still got 2 over 3. So I'll write this in my radical symbol. 3 goes in here. 1 over 8 squared. What 3 numbers give me 1/8? Well, it'll be 1/2. And I got 2 of them. So it's going to be 1/2 times 1/2 equals 1/4. Okay. B, same thing. Negative tells me to flip it. So I got 16 over 9. And I got 3 over 2. Now convert into a radical, which is going to be 16 over 9 cubed. So that 2's in there, so what 2 numbers give me 16 out of the same? 4 times 4 is 16, 9. 3 times 3 is 9 to the power of 3. So it's going to be 4 over 3 times 4 over 3 times 4 over 3. 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 is 64. 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. Okay, same thing. Negative sign, I'm going to flip it, so it's going to be 1 over 16 to the power of 5 over 4. Right as a radical, 4 goes here, 1 over 16 to the power of 5. What number multiply by itself 4 times is going to be 16? That would be 1/2 to the power of 5, which is 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2. 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. and 2 times 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. So there you go. Excuse me. Next one, once again, negative sign, so you're going to flip it, 36 over 25, and it's got 1/2, right in the radical form, 2 in here, 36 over 25, what two numbers multiply itself, give me 36, will be 6, and what two numbers multiply itself, give me 25, will be 5, and because that's a 1 there, then that's the answer as is. So, take a look at your assignment. If you have any questions, come see me. If not, then have a good day.